This is a thing which I have understood. If you want to grow faster, your mind has to be stronger than all those distractions. Like so strong that those manipulation, those distractions cannot even touch you. And that has to happen very natural way. But yes, that comes with practice, that comes with you working towards your mind, on your self-worth and everything consistently every day. Not that you fight it, not that you react to it, but it is something like it doesn't mean anything to you. It doesn't bother you in any way. Because whatever it is, the growth only requires this one thing. Your single-minded focus. That's it. Nothing else. And all of this distraction I'm talking about, you should take it like some test. Like test of like how serious are you about your dreams and vision and whatever you want to achieve. How much do you value your own vision? How much it is mean to you for real? And how strong is your self-worth? Whether it's your business, it's your love life, it's your own life, or whatever you want to achieve, it is always responding how much you feel like you are worthy of those things. Universe always sends this test through people, through situations. It doesn't always have to be like bad intention. They are trying to harm you. Most of the time, those people, they don't even have any idea like you are getting affected this way. So they might have very good intention, but their action is doing something different, which they don't understand, because not everyone is still very conscious yet, right? Even you are working on yourself, even you are raising your vibration, but not everyone is growing at the same pace like you. Now, if I go a little deeper into it in that spiritual perspective, whenever you are trying to rise, whenever you are raising your frequency and trying to do something which is very much aligned with that your higher calling, aligned with that source energy, there will always be forces like seen or unseen, which if I name it like those are the dark forces, which will always try to pull your focus away, pull your energy away. That's their job. Let them do their job. But here's the shift which I wanted to share. They're not there to stop you. Just think from a different perspective. Like don't say that they're bad, they're dark or anything, even though I have used this phrase, but everything is light. Everything is light. Even the dark energies are also. And the light, from where it comes from the dark matter, right? So I don't feel like anything is bad. It is just they're serving their own purpose. They're here so that you actually recognize how much powerful you are. The more taste you will give and the more you will win, you are building your mental muscle. You are learning your boundaries. You are helping yourself to become almost untouchable. There comes a point, if you keep doing it consistently, then even if those things will always be there, okay, but they will not be able to manipulate you the way they used to do, because you have built such a strong inner shield, and nothing manipulates your time, your energy, or your direction. So, and that strength, I told you, that strength comes from you putting conscious work every single day. So if you have a vision, protect it, protect your mind. And I say this so many times, your mind is that treasure box. Please protect it. This is everything. Protect your mind, protect your energy, protect your vision, protect your focus. The more uncheckable you become, the faster everything aligns for you.